Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a dollar symbol on your spreadsheet PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert a dollar symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC? So like this. So the first you can just use your keyboard shortcut on your computer. By using keyboard, just type as shift plus. You just want to type 4. So you can just insert dollar symbol. The second way, you just click on the insert option on the top. Now just click on the symbol option, and here you just need to click on the more symbols. After clicking on the more symbols, you will see lot of options out here, but you just want to change this option to currency. So you can find by scrolling here, you can see currency symbol. So here you can find a lot of currency symbols on this page actually. Or you can just click this and you can see you just want to change to the half width and full width form. So here you can find the dollar symbol on the first step. You can see how it's look like, and this is how you just insert a dollar symbol and just close it. This is how you just insert dollar symbol like this or like this on your WPS spreadsheet PC. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.